Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This video is going to be about how to send cryptocurrency, and in this case it's going to be from Coinbase to the Trezor suite. Now I know there's a lot of videos, and there are older videos about the Trezor, and I recently got mine and I was a little confused, so this is just an updated video on how to send cryptocurrency from an exchange to your Trezor. We have a Trezor Model T in this instance, so hopefully this will help you guys out in the future. So in my last video, I showed you how to convert, altcoin or any cryptocurrency to, in this instance, it was BTC, Bitcoin. And this video, I will show you how to send all of that BTC, in my case, to the Trezor. So once you go into Coinbase, you go to your wallet, and we're going to be sending. So in order to send, I'll go into the Trezor suite. Let me plug it in, and I'll enter my PIN. It's verifying my PIN. Now it is loading. So now that I'm in the Trezor, I'm going to scroll down to BTC, which is the asset that I want. I'm going to click on Receive. And I'm going to click on Show Full Address. So this is my BTC, my Bitcoin receiving address. I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it, then I'll go back to Coinbase. So in Coinbase, I want to send all of my BTC or my Bitcoin, which is $13.96. I want to send it to an address. I can add a note. It's going to be a test for the two. And it's going to be with Bitcoin. I'm going to hit continue. And just to verify, you are sending all of your BTC to the wallet. In this case, it's the Trezor. It's a note, which is a test for the tube. I'm going to be sending Bitcoin. There is a $0 Coinbase fee, which is great. There's a small network fee, and that's just for the miners. And then the total that I'm going to incur is $13.89. The payment received, it'll be about 30 minutes, and I will show you that in a second. So I'm going to hit send now. So now I'll have to enter my verification, which I just got on my phone. I'll hit confirm. Awesome. So I just sent the BTC. I sent it to this wallet, and Coinbase lets you know it usually takes about 30 minutes. So I'll head back over to the Trezor. So now we'll just give it a couple seconds, and even though it hasn't hit finality, here in a couple seconds there will be a new transaction that pops up showing that Coinbase is in the process of sending that BTC. And then here was a brand new notification. It just popped up. So Coinbase just sent all the BTC, and it just happened a second ago. This notification just popped up. So in summary, that's how you send cryptocurrency from Coinbase to the Trezor. In this case, it was the Trezor Model T. It's a pretty quick and easy process, and it only takes a couple of seconds. If you have any questions about the Trezor suite, I know there's not a lot of videos on YouTube about it. Please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you next time.